Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to connect to PostgreSQL 12 database using Azure Systems Zulu Open JDK 8 using JDBC programming. So here you can see that I have already installed PostgreSQL 12 database, and this is the PostgreSQL 12 installation directory, and this is PostgreSQL 12 data directory where all database information are stored here. And here you can see that I already installed Azure Systems Zulu OpenJDK 8, which is the clone of OpenJDK 8 project, and it's a free to use OpenJDK from Azure Systems. So here, very important thing, I have downloaded the PostgreSQL JDBC driver and copied to one directory. Make sure that you have downloaded the same, which is used to connect to PostgreSQL 12 database. Next, these are the two basic JDBC programs we are going to execute to connect to PostgreSQL 12 database using Azure's Zulu OpenJDK 8. So before we proceed, I have started the PostgreSQL 12 database instance using this command. So PostgreSQL 12 is running on the port 5432. So I have connected the PostgreSQL 12 database using pgadmin tool. So pgadmin tool is bundled with the PostgreSQL 12 software. So it's a web-based interface used to connect the Postgres database. So I am using this to connect and execute the queries to PostgreSQL 12 database. Make sure that pgadmin tool is also started. We are going to select the person table from PostgreSQL 12 database. So before we proceed to JDBC programming, let me check whether Azure's Zulu Open JDK 8 is available in the path or not. Yes, it's available in the path. So let us come to our first JDBC program. So you can see that all the basic interfaces like connection, driver manager, result set, statement, etc. are got imported. So driver manager dot get connection is the first statement. This will call the JDBC URL with the username and password. So make sure that you have provided the correct PostgreSQL JDBC URL, which will use to establish the connection to the PostgreSQL 12 database. And next you can see the database metadata. So database metadata object used to get the basic information about the database like database name, database version, etc. So in next part we are seeing the person table. So we are printing all the records from person table using the result set object. So name and age are the two columns from the person table. So finally I am closing the result set statement and connection object. So all this database logic should be done inside the try catch block. So next we are going to compile our first JDBC program. So this is the syntax. Make sure that you have included the PostgreSQL JDBC driver jar file in the class path while compiling. Also while running also you need the PostgreSQL driver.jar file in class path. So compilation is successful. Let us execute. Yes, you can see that basic database metadata information all got printed. On next part you can see that person table, all the records from the person tables are got selected and printed. So Azure Systems Zulu OpenJDK 8 is used to connect PostgreSQL 12 database with the help of PostgreSQL JDBC driver successfully. So finally Azure Systems Zulu OpenJDK 8 supports PostgreSQL database also. So now we are going to see our next program. So in the next program we are going to insert one record to the PostgreSQL 12 database. So here you can see that same JDBC URL only I'm using. Driver manager.get connection will be establishing the connection to the PostgreSQL 12 database. So here major difference is we are using the execute update method. So execute update method I am passing the insert query. So execute update method will be useful for inserting, updating and deleting the rows in the table. So I am inserting one new record here, and in next step I am selecting the all the records from the table and printing using the result set object. So now let us try to compile and run this program in our Zulu OpenJDK 8. So finally I am closing all the result set statement and connection objects. So all this should be done inside the try catch block. So I am copying. So make sure that PostgreSQL JDBC driver included in the class path. So compilation is successful. Let me run the program now. Yes, it's successful. You can see that new record is got inserted successfully in PostgreSQL 12 database. So let me confirm in pgadmin tool. Let me refresh. Yes, you can see that new record is got inserted. So finally, PostgreSQL 12 JDBC connectivity using Azure Systems Zulu OpenJDK 8 is successful. So Zulu OpenJDK 8 supports PostgreSQL JDBC driver.